party people, I'm Jess and this is Jess Budgets. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be doing a cash stuffing of our saving challenges. If that's something that you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alright, so we're starting off with our coins. These are all the coins that I have. So here we go. We have quite a few quarters. We currently have $13.06. And there we have it. We currently have $17.47 now. To the side, and this as well. Alright, and today we are lighting a candle. This is White Barn's Gather. It is like a marshmallow fireside scented candle. It smells so good. Gather is definitely a fall-ish sort of scent. I know it's Christmas time, but I'm not too fond of like peppermint, mint sort of smells. So this is what I rock for the holidays. So that's that. We're going to go ahead and do our ones and our fives. And I think I just broke my little pouch. I totally did. Oh, look. I'm gonna have to find somewhere else to keep our fives and ones now. Yeah, look, it broke off. Anyway, so I collect my ones and my fives and I throw them in that pouch that just broke. So since I have less fives, I'll start with fives. I don't count the total amount because I want to be surprised, but I am going to tally up how much I have each quarter so that I know whether I saved more each quarter or less. And then I do count it out when I put it in. I just don't keep a running total, if that makes sense. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 to put into my fives. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna put it in there. And then now for my ones. Let's see how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we saved 21 and ones this month. And just gonna add that to the back of the pile. And again, the amount that I made prior quarter, I changed into larger bills. So that's that for my ones and my fives. And now we are moving on to our 52-week challenge. I have been a bit behind on my 52-week challenge. I keep forgetting to put it into my budget. My budget has been pretty tight these past few months, so this challenge has been a little harder to do, especially since I'm doubling it since I am doing it with my husband. So I went ahead and finished the turkey trowel. I didn't record the last week because I was under the weather and I didn't film, but I did put aside the $25 so I can have the total for the month. So I was able to save $100 for the turkey trot challenge. So I was originally going to use the turkey trot to fund Thanksgiving, but I honestly didn't need it. My grocery store was full of sales and everything was buy one, get one. And I ended up being able to get everything that I needed for the most part with my regular grocery bill. because most of the items that I needed were one on sale, and I was also only really making sides. We went to visit family, and my family really took care of the main entrees, and I just had to really make 2-3 sides only. So with this money, what I'm going to use this for is to fund my 52-week challenge. So that's what I'm using. I'm gonna move this into, and then I am going to take out some of the money that I was putting on the side for the challenge. I like to record my saving challenges on a monthly basis. Backed up to October 22nd, guys. So I'm on week 19, which would be $19. So I'm doubling that since I am doing it with my husband. So that means that I need $38. $38. So I'm gonna do 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $38. So 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's both our 19s. And we're gonna mark that one as complete. And next up we have week 20, which would be 20 each. So I am just gonna get change. I'm gonna put in the 50 and then give myself back 10, since 20 and 20 is 40. So that's that. So we're doing, right now we're on week 21, and week 21 is $21. So it's $21 each. So I'm gonna do a 20, another 20, and then one. So we have a 21 from my husband and 21 from me. Gives us 42. Add that to the mix. Okay, now we're on week 22, which was November 12th, and we need $22. So I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna use the 50 and get another 10 back. So I'm gonna do 2 and 2. So it's 22 that I need. So I'm doing 54 so that I get 10 back. Oops, we don't have a 10. So I'm going to do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. And next up we have week 23, and that would have been $23 each. So and $23 each, so that's 50, that's 6. That's 46. So I have 10, 20, 40, 5, and 6. So 46. Next up then we have week 24, and week 24, it's $24 each. So 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 24 and 24 is 48. So I have 20, 30, 40, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 48. And I don't know if I have enough to do. And that is all the money that I have to do this challenge. So I was able to get to week 24. We should have, according to this, $600 total. So I'm going to see if that's true. Alright, so according to this, we should have $600 since we're doubling. Alright, so we're going to say we have it. I'm going to put I have an uneven 50, so I'm going to put that to the side. So I have 50, 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 500, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So that's where we're at on our 52-week challenge. Sums up my video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching the savings challenge video. I'm only doing a few savings challenges. These were the first ones that I started, so I kind of wanted to finish out the year with them. And that's it. Thank you again for watching my video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.